Chapter 6, Microsoft Excel 2019. In this chapter, we will learn MS Excel, learn to modify a worksheet, learn to work with a workbook. MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet available with MS Office package. A spreadsheet contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. It is also known as worksheet. Uses of MS Excel. An Excel worksheet enables you to carry out complex arithmetic calculations and logical operations such as addition, multiplication, subtractions, etc. Microsoft Excel 2019 is one of the advanced versions of MS Excel. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. MS Excel spreadsheet is called an electronic spreadsheet. A page in MS Excel is called a worksheet. An Excel document is referred to as a workbook. Starting MS Excel. To open Microsoft Excel, select Start, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel 2019. Creating a new file or workbook. To create a new workbook, click on the New option from the File tab. A new workbook window will appear. Cell in worksheet. A cell is an intersection of rows and columns. Each cell in a worksheet is identified by its cell address. Saving a workbook. To save a workbook, choose Save icon from Quick Access toolbar or Save command from File tab. Then Save as dialog box appears and click on Save button. Closing a workbook. To close Excel workbook, select Close option from the File tab. Opening a file. To open a file that you have saved, click on the File tab and choose Open option. A dialog box will be displayed. Select the existing workbook file and click on Open button. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.